Okay. Okay. It is slick raining. It's been raining. And of course the leaves make it slick too. For perspective, they're downhill. Oh, it's so beautiful though. Look at that. Just gorgeous. If and you like the woods. Oh my goodness. You okay, Liz? Wow. It's just a little sketchy here with the wet leaves and the wet ground. I'm trying to hold a phone. Yikes. Oh my gosh, look at that. Wow. Oh. Oh, it's beautiful. Okay. Yeah, when you said gorilla, and I said, okay. They call their dog gorilla. Oh my gosh. Stunning. Look at this. Furnace again? Rockland Furnace? Wow. You can't get down to it because it's too steep. I mean now. Yeah, it's too steep. Drops off right there. And of course the ground is all wet. But how cool is this? I forget how many furnaces there were in the area when they did Helen Furnace. I may have said then. I'll just have to research it and put a caption up. How cool. It was a big furnace. And if you look, there's paint on the entrance, but I don't know what that means. It's way down there. It's too steep to get to in the rain. But wow, what a cool place. That is some healthy moss. Not too sure what the significance of the shoes is. Look at all these mailboxes. Check out all the mailboxes. In the middle of nowhere. But there's a lot of river homes down here. There's one right there. Not this shack, but there's a home there. There we go. Huh? Rockland Wood Tunnel. Look how huge it is. Amazing. Okay, yeah, that was Rockland Furnace that we just looked at. Somebody wrote hi on it. You pause and read it. Look how dark it is in there. It's a ghost. Run, it's a ghost. Thank you. That was cool. It's so weird. Things show up better on camera than what they do with your eye. Turn on my flash. walking without a light because we're entering the end of the tunnel, exiting the end of the tunnel. This is pretty cool. Not to mention the temperature's pretty cool too. It's not cold, just nice, pleasant. Wow. How's the ceiling looking on this end? The ceiling with all that water dripping down.
Yeah.
Used to be a railroad tunnel. Of course, obviously it isn't anymore. Ah, got smacked on the noggin. He was saying there's one near him that has been closed down because of erosion. Thought I had the camera running, and I wasn't. Oh, it's got a garage door. Didn't have one on the other side, did it?
No, and I'm wondering if they did that to keep the wind from blowing through in the wintertime.
Maybe to keep it
freezing.
falling apart more. Maybe. How cool is that, though?
Imagine the work, the quality of work.
The amount of work, oh my gosh.
Look how all the stones have cracked right down that ceiling.
Yep. My gosh. Take a picture. Check that out. Wow. Look at that wall. Holy cow. This might be kind of cool. Pass over here.
Bald eagle.
Seriously? Oh, but it's going to be, what do you see, a crest of the head?
Yeah.
Yeah, I won't be able to catch it on here.
Oh yeah, that's probably gone.
Look at that, though. How cool is that?
Alligator.
Not very deep, though, is it?
No.
At this point.
No.
Not kayaking waters, is it?
Just enough to, I don't know if that's a clearing or alligator. Maybe that's a clearing over. I'm not sure.
When I got here, I thought those loud chirps were cardinals. They're chipmunks. Warning, warning. This is awesome.
No, it said lick here for COVID is what it said.
I didn't see that one.
I kind of wondered if that one kept it.
Pretty cool.
This is a really, really dry tunnel.
Are the other ones this dry?
I don't know. The one down at the trestle is really wet. I mean, you have to walk through water to walk through it. That's how much it leaks.
Mm.
And there's not that much mountain.
Over there is a collapsing covered bridge. No longer in use, of course. Now let's quickly go up here. And we'll see all the stacked stones that somebody did. Very cool. Look at that. What a fun day out.
Is the mushroom growing?
Kennerdale Scenic Overlook. Oh. Wonder how many miles you can see. You might say on one of these signs, huh?
What's that?
How many miles you can see.
I don't know. This is beautiful when the leaves change color.
Oh, I bet. This isn't going to be the year for that.
Two rivers run into each other.
Really?
Mhm.
That's cool. What rivers are they?
I don't know. I don't really know.
Don't drop the phone.